There's lemon juice.
We out here in the hotel.
And there's lemon juice.
We're not in this hotel. We got whatever the hell this is. Okay, honey. And we're gonna make some free hot chocolate. It's not really. Let's go. Let's go upstairs.
Juice is really sour.
Ding dong day.
Don't drink it. Shut up. Yo. Drink the lemon juice.
Okay. Pepsi. Yeah. Bronze. No bronze one.
Don't look.
I'm not. Panda. Oh my god, that's such great artistic vision. Okay.
Come on, let's go to mom.
Okay, let's go to mom's room.
What floor?
Yo, this is
213.
Let's go to 12.
Hey, why is the red light there? I never. It's mad dark.
Are we bouncing it? I think it's bouncing.
Yo, it's mad dark. Alright, I'm just gonna make a look at the light. It's mad dark in here.
That's just gross.
Oh, don't.
Why don't?
Alright, 12. Let's go. Open.
Smells like weed.
Alright. Zach, can one of you take the camera?
I'll take it. I got it. I got it. Don't pause it.
Nick, let me do it.
No. Where are we going? I got it.
Wait, ready? On 3, we knock on all their doors. 1, you do it. 1, 2, that's our door.
Go. Come on. Zach, come on. No. They locked the roof. Zach. Roof. They're alarmed. Zach. They're alarmed. Let's go. Sorry. Yeah, sure. Here you go. We're going. Come on, sit over there. Yeah, record us.
I'm recording. Ice. I got ice. What am I gonna do with this ice?
Just throw it at that door. Throw it at the door. I got it.
Hey, what is this?
Don't. They'll track it to the floor.
Push.
Okay, watch it again.
Okay. Not this door. It's not a door. It's mechanical. Okay. You got this one. I got this one. 2, 3. Patrick. Patrick. Oh crap, man down. Nick! He's probably gonna meet us on the floor. He's probably gonna meet us right here. Just go in. Really small. Patrick. I'll go to the other staircase. We'll meet here. If either of us finds him meet right here. Meet in the middle. Go upstairs and look around. Go upstairs. We'll meet back in the middle on this floor. I'm sure my Patrick. Riptide. Patrick! Where is he?
Oh, go to the lobby.
No! Stupid.
I'll look down there.
No, dude, no. Gotta find him.
Oh my god.
Hey. Shit. Patrick! Patrick? Patrick? I'm going to every floor and I'm gonna ask him, like, you know, if he's here. Patrick! Still only at the 7th floor. Patrick! Oh crap. Why are you feeling? Oh crap. Shit. Wait, 4th floor. How long is this? It's been 6 minutes already. I'll just not waste all day. Shoot, right next to the hotel manager. Where did you go? I was looking around for you. Where did you go?
It went so long.
You should.
These stairs. Alright.
Here we go.
I don't know.
Let's go. Come on. Bless you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Oh my god, artistic vision. I just can't walk by this without
Like,
complimenting.
really?
I mean,
It's
seriously.
so great.
It's so sucky. Yeah. Just we go in. Yo, imagine. Imagine. Yo. Alright.
Every now and
Sit
then,
down.
I poop on you.
Oh, it's a one.
Get out.
Oh my god, this is so good.
It did.
So good.
Okay, no. Let's just wait for him to go.
All around me are familiar faces.
That was a little too close. No. No.
For the vlog. No, I don't need to use the bathroom, even though I drank like so much.
Get wrecked. What was it? Oh, crap.
Ninja
Ninja
Nick.
video.
Ninja Nick, back at it again. It's so good, but okay. Compliment. Yo, let's just wait for him. I'm just gonna.
We're waiting in the bathroom.
Yeah,
It sneezed really big. It sneezed really hard. On the wall too.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go back up to the elevator.
Let's just sleep. Come on.
No, to the elevator.
Do what?
Let's go up to mom's room.
So, is the fourth 3 is?
We're looking for the.
Which number? 9.
Wait, is it what 9?
Yeah, it
I
is
sure
9.
think it was 4.
No, it was 9.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think it was 4.
Okay.
No, it was 3.
Just stop.
Don't do that because I gotta
already
go up.
Okay, let's just go.
No, it was 8. I remember now.
Dude, are you serious?
Yeah.
It was 8.
Yeah. Let's read this. Let's read this.
Don't delay me.
Okay.
I'm dying for the restroom. Okay?
I'm so sorry.
I called it first restroom.
I'm gonna take a picture.
It's in their room.
Okay. I just took a picture of that. All around.
Oh, wait, no, it's 5.
Zach! Fun.
Come on.
Sure it's 5.
No, it was 8.
No. Zach, we'll walk
Take the
this in.
camera. Don't go off.
Can we just go? I don't want to be here.
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Wait. Zach.
didn't do it. We didn't do anything.
Big.
We should pull the fire alarm.
Shut up. Come on, we have to go now.
Big guys, stop. God. So, guys, and YouTube, fellow YouTubers, this is called a doorbell. Let's go. Okay, fine. Jeez. Oh my god.
Wait, Zach, don't. No. Zach, our story is we're looking into the hotel for mom. We have some fun from this place.
Yeah, we have to find her mom.
Oh!
Retard alert. Retard
My
alert.
side.
This is really hard.
Yo, stop.
Dude, stop.
What do I do?
No.
No.
My phone's